In the mountains of Colorado, winters can be brutal. Park Ranger Ellie Turner learned this firsthand when a massive snowstorm trapped her in her cabin, cutting her off from the world. Her food shed froze shut, rescue was days away, and her supplies were dwindling. She had warmth from her fire, but hunger was setting in. Then, she heard a soft scratching at her door. When she opened it, she found a neat pile of pine cones. Nearby, a small gray squirrel watched her with curious eyes. Ellie laughed, tossing it some breadcrumbs before it vanished. That night, the storm returned with a vengeance. 3 days later, when she could finally open her door again, she found another, larger pile of pine cones. The same little squirrel sat on top, shivering. It had been braving the storm to bring her food. When rescuers arrived, they found Ellie safe and smiling. The squirrel had saved her. That spring, the squirrel was gone, but it had left her one last gift, a box filled with pine cones. Sometimes, kindness speaks louder than words. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories.